screen. And okay, first I will come alphabetical order. In this new persons. Okay. Or I will pick Srihita. Unmute. Unmute yourself. Srihita. Yes,
Sir.
very good. Okay, right. Are you interested to read this? Yes. Are you okay to read this? Are you comfortable in reading this story? Small story, easiest one. Okay. Yes, go ahead. Okay, I will also help you. First chapter name. Yes, go ahead. Don't change the world. Okay.
Change the bird.
Change the world. Change. Yes, go ahead.
Once upon a time.
Yes. Once upon a time. Good. Okay, you read this up to only 3 sentences. Okay, 2 sentences enough. From here to that, this I have highlighted. No? You read this till here.
Okay. Once upon a time.
Yes. Once upon a time. Okay, I will read you. Then after me you follow. Once upon a time there was a king who ruled a prosperous country. Once upon a time there was a king who ruled a. Okay, I will highlight this while I am reading. Once upon a time there was a king who ruled a prosperous country. One day he went for a trip to some distant area of his country. Okay, you read till here. Till country. Fast. From once to here country. Again, unmute yourself. Unmute first. Unmute. Yes, go ahead.
Sir.
Yes.
Once upon a time, there was a king. How?
Who? This is who. Who means who are you? Like that. Who means ever. Yes, go ahead fast. Who ruled a prosperous country? The king. The king who ruled a.
Who ruled a
prosperous country.
Prosperous country. One day, he
Yes.
went for a
trip to some distant areas of his country. Yes, go ahead. Again read. He went for a trip.
He went
for a trip.
Once went for a trip
to some distant areas.
Some distant area of
his country. Okay, good. You tried well. Yes, very good. So you have to go on reading small text. You choose yourself and you go on reading. By practicing only you must go on reading. Then only you will be able to improve your speed and reading skills. Yes, okay. Next one. Okay, this name Srimauli is there. Okay, go ahead. This name with the Srimauli. Who is this? Srimauli. Sri Mowli. Okay, this daughter of Sharada teacher. Okay, go ahead. You read from here. When he was from here to till Stony. Okay, Stony. I will read once. When he was back to his palace, first of all, when he was back to his palace, he complained that his feet were very painful because it was the first time that he went for such a long trip, and the road that he went through was very rough and stony. Okay, stony means stone. Total stones will be there. If you in your around your home also, some places will be there, total stones covered with that area is covered with stones. Okay, right, like roads, those are everything will be there, no? So like that only. So his road also covered same, like very rough and stony, means stones. Okay, you go ahead, you read it. Yes, you unmuted, go ahead. Yes, go ahead. Loudly, loudly. Sri Mauli, some name is with you. Tomorrow onwards, everyone join with your name. Okay, named with Sri Mauli. Okay, so next, are you ready? Your mic is off, I think. You in that you join with the Wi-Fi or mobile data. In that option will be there after clicking that mic. Okay, next. You tell to your mother. Your mother will set it. I will ask you later. Okay, next. Sai Akshit Yadav. Unmute yourself first. Sai Akshit Yadav. Yes. Okay. Right now you start from here, where when he was back to his palace to Stony, till Stony. Go ahead first.
I want to this category to his suggestion to make a himself. There is actually a valuable in this story. To make this world a happy place to live, you better change yourself, your heart, and not the world.
Okay. When he was back to his palace, he complained that his feet were very painful because it was the first time that he went for such a long trip, and the road that he went through was very rough and stony. He then ordered his people to cover every road of the entire country with leather. Okay, next person, next. Simon, with unmute yourself first. Fast.
Sir.
Right, you read from this definitely to is still feet. Fast, go ahead.
Definitely world need thousands of cows.
Yes, I will read once you go ahead after that. Definitely this would need thousands of cows skin and would cost a huge amount of money. Definitely this would need thousands of cows skin and would cost a huge amount of money. Then one of his wise servant dared himself to tell the king, why do you have to spend the unnecessary amount of money? Why don't you just cut a little piece of leather to cover your feet? Yes, go ahead, you first. Okay, Simon with yes.
Sir.
Yes, go ahead. From definitely to here.
Definitely this world need thousands of cows.
This world not, this would. Okay, go ahead.
This would need thousands of cows skin and wool wool cows
and would
a
cost huge amount of money and would should like that.
then one of these wise servants dragged
Dared himself to tell the king. Okay, right, okay, you read it again and again. I think you are not studying the moral stories. I think go on reading. You are also slow in reading. Okay, next Tanvi. Okay, I will give everyone. Okay, Tanvi, unmute yourself first.
yes sir.
Yes, go ahead. From, are you comfortable from here to here or here to here? From where you want to tell? You only choose yourself. I am giving you your own choice.
Sir, I will choose from once upon a time.
Okay, go ahead first. Yes, good, good.
Once upon a time, there was a king who ruled a prosperous country. One day, he went for a trip to some distant areas of his country. When he was back to his place, he complained
Palace.
that
Yes,
his
it is palace. Palace means that the king's
Yes, sir.
place. Yes, go ahead.
He complained that his feet were very painful because it was the first time that he went for such a long trip. For the road that for and the road that he went through was very rough and stony. He then ordered his pl- he then ordered his people to cover road to the every road to the entire country with leather.
Okay.
Definitely,
Yes.
definitely, this would need thousands of cows' skin and would cost a huge amount of money. Sir, this is there in my textbook, sir, in my original
Yes.
classes textbooks.
Ah, good, good. Okay, yes. Yes, yes. Okay, till okay, your reading speed good. Okay, but still you have to improve pronunciation, correct pronunciation, and you have to improve speed. Lot of speed required. Okay, you have, how it will be possible? You have to go on reading again and again, again and again. New passage. You must read new stories, new passage, new textual content. Then only you will get the speed and perfect pronunciation. Okay, good, good. Right, right. Next, Bonasri, unmute yourself and. Go ahead, read this whole fastly. Fast, you must complete within minute.
Definitely, this will need thousands of cows' skin and would cost a huge amount of money. Then one of his wives made him to tell the king, "Why do you have to spend that unnecessary amount of money? Why don't you just cut it together to cover your feet?" The king was surprised, but he later agreed to his suggestion to make a shoe for himself. There is actually a valuable lesson of life in this story. To make this world a happy place to live, you better change yourself, your heart, and on the world.
Yes, good, good. You read well. Your speed improved. Still, you have to. You can improve. You can go on reading. Okay, practice. Practice only makes everyone perfect. You must read again and again. You must go on. You must. Your goal must be. I have to improve my speed reading and perfect pronunciation. Okay. Yes, I will read. I will also. I am targeting to complete within 30 seconds from first. Okay, right. So listen carefully. So don't change the world. Yes, don't change the world. Once upon a time, there was a king who ruled a prosperous country. One day, he went for a trip to some distant areas of his country. When he was back to his palace, he complained that his feet were very painful because it was the first time that he went for such long trip, and the road that he went through was very rough and stony. He then ordered his people to cover every road of the entire country with leather. Definitely, this would need thousands of cows' skin and would cost a huge amount of money. Then one of his wise servant dared himself to tell the king. One of his wise servant dared himself to tell the king, "Why do you have to spend that unnecessary amount of money? Why don't you just cut a little piece of leather to cover your feet?" The king was surprised, but he later agreed to his suggestion to make a shoe for himself. There is a actually valuable lesson of life is in the story. To make this world a happy place to live, you better change yourself. Okay, you there is actually a valuable lesson of life in this story. To make this world a happy place to live, first you have to change yourself. You better change yourself. How you would be change yourself? You have to think your heart and not the world. Okay, you have to change yourself and your heart, not the world. Okay, yes, I tried to complete within 30 seconds, but it's still I have given gaps. That's why it took 1 minute for me. Okay, so you have to analyze after reading every some textual content. You have big technology. You can keep one mobile in your mobile phone. Also, you can keep stopwatch. If you are perfect in pronunciation, first of all, if you are lagging in pronunciation, means reading perfectly, what you have to do, you have to go on reading with small letters, small easier textual contents. Okay, then you should not feel low, not feel shy to read small textual stories or small content. Okay, what will happens if you read small stories also, you will be improved your visualization skill, you will be improved your concentration, and your thinking power will be enhanced. Okay, you have to go on reading. If it will be the easiest also, you must read, but that easiest, if you feel that easiest text, you have to read it speedily. But main aim is you have to read. If you won't read, I have perfect in reading because I am reading from since my childhood, from 5th class onwards. I am go on reading this all textual contents. That's why I'm perfect. I'm without reading, without practicing, I can't I can't all even I can't read perfectly. Okay, I am able to read this much fastly because I have practiced a lot. So you must go on reading. You have to read. You can take your textbook also in English that you read. If you won't get, you can ask to your parents, or if you take that image of that in a Google or in Google Lens, it will show. Okay, or you can type that text in the Google. Then you will get then you will get the pronunciation in Google. Okay, you have a lot of opportunities through technology. You can learn a lot many things. Okay, yes,
Are you or what?
yes. Some people raised their hands. I will pick there. Next, Srima only. Unmute. Unmute. The name with the Srima only. I think. Are you ready? Why your voice is not audible? Your voice is not audible. Again, you read from this one, sir. Then one from then to your feet. Yes, go ahead. Read. Yes, meanwhile, other children also can go on reading. Okay, you have to go on reading the textual content. You will then only you will be able to improve speed reading. Okay, speed reading and understanding comprehension. Okay, I think that a technical problem in for her. So okay, tomorrow I can continue remaining children, no problem. This, so what is this? I will explain. First of all, you have to visualize, means you have to go to that situation. First, what happened? Once upon a time, there was a king who ruled a prosperous country. Prosperous means a very beautiful country. He was ruled. So he went for trip. One day he went for a trip some distant area of his country. So he ruled a prosperous country to see his country, how the country is. So what about his country, how is there any problem? For that he went for a trip. And when he was back to his palace means his king's places will be there in a king's house. What we'll call palace means their home will be very beautiful with golden utensils, golden, what we'll call that, plates, like that there. That's why we used to call palace. And he complained that he complained to every one of his ministers or servants that his feet were very painful, because it was the first time that he went for such a long trip, and also the road that he went was very rough and stony. Okay, if you go on walking long trip without your chappals, you will also experience that pain. That's why this leather came, and we are feeling very easy to walk anywhere. Okay, he then ordered his people to cover every road. Okay, if you want to cover every road with leather, means it will cost lot many things, because that cow, that from that cow leather only, or that ox leather only, we will prepare, that ox or cow's skin only we will prepare leather. But if you go on killing those cows, means what will happen? We don't get milk. Milk is most precious thing now. That's why one of the person dared himself to tell the king, why do you have to spend that unnecessary amount of money? Why don't you just cut a little piece of leather to cover your feet, like chappals? Now we have got chappals or shoes. He suggested, and the king was surprised. But later he agreed to his suggestion also to make a shoe for himself. There is actually a valuable lesson in this story. To make this world a happy place to live, you must change yourself. You must change your heart. Okay, you must take positive everything. Okay, right. We'll discuss tomorrow also. It was too much time.